and it was videos and lectures, books from the whole Speed app, which I kept revising as well and helped me to get this rank of.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Maidh Pavneet Singh Harminder for scoring rank number 12 in AML, in GI surgery, in MCH speciality, in INISS May 2025 session. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Great and wonderful achievement. And you know a detailed background of your career so far, what all happened from day one?
Sir, I have done my undergraduation as well as post-graduation from St. GS Medical College and KM Hospital, Mumbai. And I joined Speed during my residency days itself and started preparing. So it was a long journey, and last 1 month before the exam, I gave almost 8 to 10 hours of preparation, and it was videos and lectures, books from the whole Speed app, which I kept revising as well and helped me to get this rank of.
So your preparation is for how long? Residency means which part of residency? Can you be a little more brief on that?
Sir, during third year of residency, I joined Speed Up, and since then it is last 2 years. I have been in touch with Speed Learning app and using
It's your
it.
companion. It was your companion.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what all you did? I mean, can you tell us, when preparation
Yes.
strategy, what you prepared, how you prepared,
Sir.
how it
So for
impacted the exam, something that way?
okay, sir. For general aspect, I used your videos and notes as well as MCQ based classes. And for GI based Basan sir's classes, I watched all the videos. And the tests I used mostly in the last part of my preparation. I gave maximum tests which I could, and kept also uh, going through those MCQs which I was finding difficult. And yes, sir, last 1 month preparation and the long term which I used, and my notes which I prepared while studying for the first time. I prepared my notes and kept revising them.
Why GI surgery? Can you tell us why, who inspired you to take this? I mean, what happened? Why you are into it?
It was my PG institute where I got exposure to GI surgical cases, and I found it very interesting, and so I got very comfortable managing with them and decided to go with GI surgery.
Okay.
Go specialty.
Very good. Now, what will be your advice for the future aspirants of SG?
Yes, sir. After becoming a general surgeon, it is up to you to decide on which specialty. And GI surgery, you need to be focused, and it is there are limited number of seats, and if you are focused, you get it, sir. You need to prepare and be patient, and there will be frustration during the process, but you need to handle that as well and be patient, and then things work in your favor over a long term.
Very good. Now, how many questions did you attend this actual exam?
79 questions were attempted.
79. Maximum number of questions.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the GI surgery preparation and in your paper, what was the proportion of GI surgery, general surgery?
So around 50 questions were GI surgical questions. Around 50, sir.
So all those questions which you have answered were manageable from the app that you have learned from Speed.
Yes, sir. There were some factual questions which you need to go through the more detailed grand tests, which I thought was I would have done better because those factual questions were from quite specific points which were only present in the MCQ tests.
Okay. Now, time to thank all whom all you want to thank that they have helped your career till date, what you have achieved.
So I would like to thank my parents, my institute from where I got a dream to become a GI surgeon, and Speed app for the precise content which it has, and everyone, sir, part of the speed team as well as my friends, and yes, sir, everyone who have helped me to reach here.
Okay. So we once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a great career as a surgical gastroenterologist in making. And definitely your dream and the passion will drive you to achieve more in the specialty. For that, advanced wishes and best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.